Gentar, military band of the Indonesian Military Academy. A 190-member ensemble band, a unique blend of military music and noble values. Going past the saluting base. Picture perfect positioning. What a visual treat. Proud moment for our chief guest too as the band goes past the saluting base. Snare drums, veliras, trumpets, flutes, all a part of the band. Behind their band, we have the marching contingent. The Indonesian National Armed Forces, TNI, showcase their discipline and national pride. 152 personnel from all branches of the TNI.